Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the wooden baby walker activity cubes, a 5-in-1 Montessori learning and educational toy designed for toddlers aged 1 and up. This multifunctional activity center combines 5 engaging activities, including wooden bead mazes, a baby shape sorter, an abacus, spinning gears, and a sliding track, all crafted to enhance your child's development skills. Not only does it promote counting, math skills, and fine motor skills, but it also encourages imaginative play and sensory exploration, keeping your little one entertained for hours. Made from solid natural wood and coated with non-toxic paint, this sturdy and safe baby walker features quiet, non-slip rubber wheels that protect your floors. Whether it's for a birthday or Christmas, this activity cube makes the perfect gift, bringing big smiles to both boys and girls as they learn and play. So, if you're looking for a toy that combines fun with educational value, this Montessori-inspired activity center is an excellent choice for your toddler's growth and enjoyment. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.